Thank you. I called you a lot, waiting for you, calling to you, but
I I extremely sorry for the inconvenience happened with you, sir. I'm extremely
no,
sorry
no,
for
no,
that.
it's not your fault. But I wanted to talk with you. That I want to improve my English speaking. That's why I have no any friend to
Yeah.
talk with. That's why I'm trying to improve my English. That's why I watch your YouTube and see you how you talk to other person like a foreigner and local people. If I also see the you speak in the to the local person. I am very happy that I have got the chance to to speak with you.
Yeah, that's a great idea to talk with the local people, you know?
Because if I talk to foreigner person, I have to pay for that.
Yeah, that's true.
But
That's true.
I heard you were in the Cambly app, na? That's last time. Yeah, means you leave the Cambly app, or are you going through?
I'm not using Cambly at all.
Nee, I watch your YouTube that there is
Yeah.
a Cambly app was there.
Yeah, before I used to it, but now I'm not.
That's why I wanted to want to suggest means what's the kid. I wanted to about the Cambly app. Should I use that to improve my English or other rather than talk to you?
Well, sir, what do I say that, Cambly is very expensive.
Yeah,
You know, yeah, Cambly is very, very expensive. Instead of going out there, they will charge you a minimum charges are 1,500 rupees, approximately $20 for 1 hour session. And the session is, if they will give you 4 session, it take 1 month. Each session 50 minutes per week. So within a 15 minute, do you think that a person can learn a language within a 15 minute or within a 1 hour? What do you think? What do you think about that? Tell
I
me.
also that's why I wanted to means uh, know about that. I wanted to know about that Cambly app. That's why I called you. That is the great thing. I found most of video I watched of the Cambly app because they didn't explain whatever I want to say. Might be they not explain very much. I am doing speak. I am speaking right or not.
Mhm.
Sentence right or not. That's why I'm very confused about that. Cambly is good or not bad?
No, no, sir. You know what happened? Within a 10 minute or within a 15 minutes, I don't think so. The person can judge you that the way
Yes.
you speaking correct or wrong. Yeah, everyone can make mistake. I can make mistakes sometime, but for my one mistake, can you judge me? Okay, how we cannot judge anyone within a one mistake, you know.
Mm.
So in my perspective, Camel is very expensive. It depends on you. If you have a lots of money, so you can go there.
No, because of the lockdown, I don't have money because of the lockdown. I also leave the. I already left the job for that
Yes, sir.
because of
Hmm.
the lockdown.
Yeah, yeah,
Basically, I am from UP district
yeah,
eta.
yeah.
Basically, I am from UP. I'm not, but
Hmm.
still I'm in the UP because of lockdown.
Yes, yes. But you're working in
Well,
Wapi. But you work
Vapi.
in Wapi. Yes, yes, yes.
My father work in Vapi. My father is a government servant in the Vapi.
Mm-hmm.
We are we has been living there since 30 year
13 year.
year
Yes, yes, yes.
30 30 year we have been living there. But
Yes,
because
yes.
of me and my with my wife, I came here to because I don't have a job right now.
Mm-hmm.
So we suggest that let's go to the village and spend some time in the village. And after that, let's see.
Well,
God,
you are not spending a time. You are enjoying in your village, brother, sir.
yeah,
Because
I'm
we don't.
enjoying. but
Yeah.
I'm about the but I'm still I enjoyed everything everything in the village, but I am very uh, worried about my job. Again, I want to go Vapi within this month, but
Mm.
let's what's happened. But I am very disappointed about the job and very disappointed because of the lockdown.
You know, lots of the people they suffer. You know, people, you have alternatives, sir. You have their own house in UP. You have your own farming. You have own farm. You have your own land. But like people, we don't have any other alternative. We have to stay here. You know, we don't have anything to go after from Surat. We don't have any other alternative at all. So you are
Mhm.
lucky at this point of view. You are lucky. Apart from the job, apart from a job, you will get job. There are lots of a job.
Let's see what's happened.
Yeah. Well, you didn't introduce yourself to me, sir. You didn't introduce yourself.
I'm actually sorry. My name is sorry. I speak a lot English, but I didn't about think about didn't say about me.
Yes, yes, sir. Please.
My name is Kapil Mathur.
Yeah.
Kapil Mathur. Kapil
Yes,
Mathur.
sir.
As I told you, I am from Vapi,
Mm-hmm.
but basically I am belong to UP district Eta, very
Yeah.
close to Agra, which is very
Yeah.
close to Agra.
Yeah.
And I am married, one child, and
Mm-hmm.
father is a government servant, and
Mm-hmm.
my wife simple caring housewife,
Yeah.
and I have a true brother, one sister.
Yeah. And what you do, sir? What you do?
Basically, I was in the IT company in SCL company.
Yeah.
I was
HCL.
in IT
Yeah.
company, but because of the lockdown, they are not giving the salary much. That's why
Yeah.
I resigned before the before the lockdown. But I
Yeah.
don't know that lockdown is coming up.
Yes. Yes.
Before the lockdown, I resigned. Basically, I means I send the biodata online, Noki.com, Indeed.com. I have uploaded. Let's
Mm-hmm.
see the call from Vapi, Daman, Selvas, which
Mm-hmm.
around my area. They will
Yes.
come up
Yes.
with me. Then I will go there.
Inshallah. Inshallah, sir.
Let's see.
Inshallah.
What about sir? You tell
Yeah.
it. But I know your mom. Know your name, but
Yeah.
I know you auto driver means na.
Yes, sir.
I have
Yes, yes.
uh, I heard in your YouTube
Yes,
uh,
sir.
you're speaking to everyone. Yeah, but yeah, your speaking is a very foreigner like you speak like a means you are not in the when you speak you are in the out of India when you speak in the foreigner
Yes, yes,
because
yes.
you are speaking like very good. That's why I watch the YouTube and try to speak. Now I got the number now. I got the opportunity to you,
Yes,
Mike.
my pleasure, sir. It's not your opportunity, it's my opportunity that I'm talking to you right now.
Because I don't have a friend to speak like it to speak with me in English because I
Mm.
speak something I basically I have just some stammering problem I have. That's why
Yeah.
stammering problem means could
Mm.
not speak hard work. Hard words I could not speak properly. That's why
Mm.
I hesitate to speak in front of any person.
Yes, I see, sir.